What's up guys, in this video I will share with you 8 work from home jobs with which you can easily make $200 or even more every single day. Okay, but before that, if you want 100% free training to make your first $100 per day as a complete beginner, then check out the link in the description, and after this training you can easily make $100 per day online. And also, if you like videos about making money online and entrepreneurship related videos, so be sure to hit the subscribe button and also click the bell icon to join the entrepreneur family. So let's get started. So the first thing that I want to share with you is copywriting. Basically guys, this is the bonus work from home job that I want to share with you. Literally, this is the bonus I want to share with you. Okay, so the first one is the copywriting. Guys, this can be the game changing work that you can do from home. Literally guys, let's say there is a vendor who is going to launch a product, and we all know that the vendors are having a ton of money. They can spend thousands of dollars on ad, and their target is at least $100,000 because there will be lots of affiliates promoting their offer. Okay, so if they are going to make $100,000, okay, and you will be the copywriter and you are just going to take about 5%, that's still 5,000 US dollar, but generally the copywriters get paid over 10%, so that's still at least $5,000 you are going to get paid from every vendor. You just need to write one sales letter, you just need to write one webinar, and that's it guys, and some of the emails. And literally guys, for that purpose I'm going to invite you to one of the webinar that the Onyx Single is going to host, and it is completely free. Literally guys, just click the link in the description right now and you will be taken to this page where a free webinar is hosted by the Onyx Single, who has made over $200 million online. Okay, it's completely free, just check this out. Okay, and now moving forward to next work from home job, that is literally also the second thing that I want to share is the video creator. Let's say if you do not have any kind of skill, okay, if you do not have any kind of skill, still what you can do, you can start creating the whiteboard animation videos, or you can even create the videos like this one. Okay, in this video I'm not showing the face, I'm simply just running a PowerPoint presentation, showing some of the screen and simply just getting paid. Okay, I'm not getting paid, I mean that you can also get paid this way. You can create videos for someone else, and you can manage someone else YouTube channel, and in this way you can start getting paid for this service. But where can you find this service? You can literally find this service on the Fiverr.com, and literally guys, on the Fiverr you can literally start getting paid for these services, but it is very hard to get the clients on this website. But what you can do, when you are going to search on the Facebook, you are going to search on the YouTube, you are going to see a ton of ads. Okay, so what you can do, just click on those ads and you will be taken to their website, and then simply reach out to them and tell them you are going to create the video for them, and how much the price. You are going to ask for 50% less price than the market because you are a beginner and you want clients. Okay, so that is what I want to share with you, and so in this way you are going to get a lot more clients. When you are going to scroll on the Facebook ads, you will start getting the clients. Okay, just because you are going to tell them that I will be giving you the first video for free, or I will be charging 50% less amount. So all these things really guys really works. Just start reaching out to 10 clients, 20 clients every single day, and after some days you will be getting a ton of clients. Okay, so the next website that I want to share with you, the next work that I want to share with you is the digital marketer. Basically, this is the work that you can do for yourself as well, or you can do for others as well. For example, you can reach out to the Facebook page, or you can also reach out to the Instagram page, and you can tell them that you are going to post on daily basis on their Instagram page. You are going to follow and unfollow people, you are going to like posts from their page, and all of these things. And literally guys, people are getting paid over $200, $300 or even $1,000 just for doing this stuff. You do not need any kind of literally any stuff. And if they want you to run ads, you can just pay somebody $5 to $10 on the Fiverr, and you can bank the rest of the profit in your pocket. Okay, so that is what I want to share with you. Literally guys, these things really work. You just need to start managing their clients. You just need to start posting on daily basis, running some ads, hiring somebody on Fiverr, and that's it guys, because they are even going to pay you 10%, 20% upfront money. Okay, so this way you can start doing this work, and it really pays off guys, really. So the third work that I want to share with you is the POD designer. Basically it's kind of print on demand. So what you can do, you can start printing the designs, and literally guys, on this print on demand I have done a tutorial, and that is going to share with you how you can start creating the viral designs and how you can start selling them, okay, with 100% free traffic. And the rest of the work will the Teespring will do. You just need to print the designs, just create the designs, and they are going to sell it for you. And check this video out, check the video in the I button now, and also check the link in the description for this free video, and it is really going to help you very much guys if you want to start this work. Okay, so the next work that I want to share with you is a website tester. Basically with website tester you can easily make $50 or even $60 per hour. Even if you do not have any skill, still you can make money with this work. Okay, so there are a lot of websites, but this website is going to be the best website for the user testing. The user testing is basically going to pay you about $50 to $60 per hour just for doing the testing. They are going to pay you via PayPal, and this is one of the best websites when it comes to user testing. And there are a lot more websites. If you want to know all of them, comment below, and I will do a video on that as well. Or you can simply go on the Google and search like user testing. Okay, user testing alternatives. Okay, so what you can do, they are going to give you all of the websites just like user testing. Okay, so you can see 6 best user testing alternative and all these things. So now the next website that I want to share with you, next work, that is the short tasker. Basically guys, short tasker is basically kind of doing the short task like copy paste, or maybe kind of doing something like some research. Okay, so what you can do, there are a lot of ways to get this work. The best website I can think is the Amazon MTurk. Okay, so basically that's I do not remember the website. Okay, you can search on the like Amazon MTurk, and yeah, it's mturk.com. I will leave the link of this website in the description as well. Okay, so literally guys, on this website you are going to get the short task, and you can easily make a lot money from this website. And if it is on as it is owned by the Amazon, so you do not have to worry about the payment as well. Okay, and you just need to come over here and click on the sign in as a worker, and thereafter create an account by signing up, or if you have an Amazon account already, you can start working with that as well. Okay, or you can also find the short tasks on the Fiverr or any freelancing websites. You can just search on the Google freelancing websites, and as you can see over here, Fiverr, Upwork, you can find the short tasking on all of these websites. Okay, so the next website that I want to share with you is the web search evaluator, search engine evaluator. Okay, so something like this. Basically if you are going to get a job like this, then you can really make full-time income, and the best website for this work is the appn.com. basically if you are going to get into this website, if you will be accepted by them, you can make a full-time income with this website. Okay, and basically there are different kind of work with this website. You can just click on the find flexible jobs, and there are tons of jobs related to this. Okay, there are tons of jobs like a web search evaluator, transcription, and there are many jobs you can do. Okay, so I will leave the link of this website in the description as well. Okay, so the next website that I want to share with you is the online teacher. Basically you can start teaching online. Basically there are a lot of websites. The first website, the best website that I can share with you is the udemy.com, and on the Udemy you can create courses, and the Udemy will do the marketing for you. Yeah, they are going to charge you 50% of the price whatever you are going to earn over there. But what the heck is this? If the Udemy is going to do all of the marketing, they are going to pay all of the marketing. Okay, so literally guys, it's one of the best thing you can do. And if you want a specific website for a specific teaching, then you can just search on the Google, for example, like okay, you can just for example, best website to teach English online. Okay, so in this way, English online, what the hell, okay, you can in the best website to teach English online. So in this way you can find the website related to your market as well, and you can easily find the website and you can start teaching there, and you can make a full-time income from there as well. So the last website that the last work I want to share with you is the completing gigs. Basically it's kind of doing the multitasking or something like that. For example, kind of creating the YouTube thumbnails, uploading video, building some social backlinks, and kind of posting for them, whatever kind of it. You can also say it's kind of the VA work. Okay, you can get all this work anywhere. If you want this work, the best thing I can say is just go on the Facebook and see, look at the marketers. I will not say just found out the big marketers, just found the kind of the middle marketers who are making about $1,000 to $10,000, and ask them that you are going to do a certain task for them at a 50% less price than the market, or maybe 70%, the 30% less price than the market. Okay, so in this way you are going to stay connected with them, and they are going to provide you the daily work, and then you can make a full-time income, and in return also you are going to learn from their experience as well. So that is what I can share with you. And literally guys, if you want to know about this, for example, if you want these kind of completing gigs, you can also go on the Fiverr and other freelancing websites to find these work. But the best way is, I've already told you, just go on the Facebook and ask about 10 people every single day. So out of 100, at least 1 or 2 will agree. So that is it, and you will start making money from there. So this is what all the stuff is of reaching to. It's kind of number game. The more you are going to reach out to people, the more you are going to get the results. Do not just think about you are going to get results or not. Just start implementing these things and you will see the results. And just start taking action now. Just head over to just click the first link in the description, the second link in the description, and head over to this website where the free copywriting webinar is hosted by the Anik Singhal. Okay, and this is really going to be pretty much valuable, insanely valuable for you guys. Okay, I have also learned a lot from this course, and even I will tell you about all about this course in the coming video, because this is really going to be dope course. Okay, this is amazing course guys, one of the best course I have ever taken. Okay, so I will see you and also if you so bye bye and tata for now, and I will see you in the next video.